As a note, this video should not be construed or relied upon as legal advice. Adding media to your site, like images or videos, is a great way to make engaging content. However, some visitors may not be able to fully see or hear your content. Some visitors will navigate your site with a screen reader. These devices read out the elements on a web page, including images. You can add alt text to important images to describe what they're for. Screen readers will then read the text. Try to keep your alt text at or below 125 characters. Screen readers will know when an image is present, so don't use phrases like an image of or a picture of. If the image has a complex description, you can include it on the page nearby using a text block. If the image has a click-through URL, describe where it goes. If you add videos to your site, adding captions can help visitors with hearing impairments. If you have audio content on your site, like a podcast, you can provide a transcript on the page or a different page. This allows visitors to read along, making your audio more accessible for those who are hearing impaired. It also makes your content more searchable for both visitors and search engines. If you have animated GIF images on your site, ensure they don't flash more than 3 times in a 1-second period. You also might want to disable background image effects, like parallax, and ensure that your background images don't flash. Flashing images may cause seizures for susceptible visitors. Let us know if you have any further questions. We're always here to help.